Same prompt, 2 AI tools. Let me show you what happened. I pasted the exact same WordPress plugin prompt into Claude AI and ChatGPT. The task, create a post grid with load more functionality. Claude stopped and asked me several questions. Do you want category filtering? How many posts initially? What about posts without images? And so on. I answered each one. Only then did it start coding. ChatGPT? No questions. Just generated the code immediately based on what I wrote. I went to my CV Global site, the code snippets I used in Monday's video. Deleted that old code, pasted Claude's version, and hit update. Changed the short code on my test page, saved, checked the front end. Works perfectly. Responsive grid, load more button, plus category filtering. Everything's working exactly as I asked. Now let's try ChatGPT's code. Created a new snippet, pasted it in, saved and activated. Got a problem here. Both use the same shortcode, so they can't run at the same time. Had to disable Claude's snippet first, then activate ChatGPT's version. ChatGPT gave me exactly what I asked for. Post grid, load more button. That's it. Claude added category filter buttons at the top. I never mentioned filtering in my prompt, but Claude asked about it and built it in. Both work. Both are functional. But one anticipated what a real site might need. Which approach do you prefer? Drop a comment. I'm using both daily on CV Global, and honestly, they're both tools with different strengths.